Good morning, well I should say good afternoon now actually, and welcome to the National Electrical Switchboard Manufacturers Association of Victoria's 2013 National Seminar Arc Fault Exposition. My name is Matt Benstead and I'm the President of NESMA Victoria, as Adam said. We represent the interests and aims of the Australian switchboard manufacturing industry, together with NESMA bodies around Australia, striving to improve our vital manufacturing industry. Today, NESMA is working for government standards committees, training organisations, unions and members in the areas of the EL68 Committee, developing and revising the 61439 series of standards from Europe, the EL1 Committee, working on amendments to AS3000 and the latest being Amendment 2, NMIT, to assist with apprentice training resources and suggestions on course matter. We also have ongoing sponsorship of the Apprentice Awards, recognising new talent in the industry. We work with the ETU to assist with industrial issues, agreements and licensing, ESV with a shared interest in electrical safety, and we assist members with technical advice, industrial relations and with commercial and legal matters, together striving to make the industry better. Today's event is a unique one. You'll get to witness a series of high power tests in excess of 60,000 amps on a purpose-built switchboard. You'll also have the opportunity to inspect the damage done to the switchboard and also to hear presentations on various topics between tests. Due to the unpredictable nature of this type of testing, we'll also get a surprise along the way. But we hope the switchboard survives until the last test, which thankfully it did this morning. It takes a substantial effort to produce an event like this, and we thank you all to have contributed their valuable time and skills to making this seminar happen. Thank you to TUV Rhineland, today represented by John Tremanis. TUV have generously allowed us to use their facilities today, and we are very lucky to have a NATA certified test lab in Melbourne. It's a valuable resource that we must all support. Thank you to our platinum sponsor, IPD, today represented by Alan Morrison. Thank you, Alan, for your continued support. Thank you to our gold sponsors, ABB, Australian Control and Equipment Suppliers, and Albus. And thanks also to our silver sponsors, Primary Metals, NAW Controls and Schneider Electric. We simply couldn't hold an event like this without them. Our sponsors today are located around the marquee, and I encourage you all to speak to their people and learn more about their products. Let's support those who support our industry. We have a number of people attending today from interstate. We really appreciate the effort you've made to be here. There's some special guests I'd like to acknowledge. Neil Fraser from Energy Safe Victoria, the President of NESMA South Australia, Scott Greenwood. Thanks, Scott, for being here. Representatives of NESMA New South Wales, representatives of NESMA South Australia, David Bibby, the Secretary, and members of the Institute of Electrical Inspectors from Victoria and Interstate, Roy Sands representing NECA, Howard Worthing representing the ETU, and David Delvergan representing NMIT. Well, we've invited you all here today and opened the doors of a high-powered NATA certified test station, where tests are usually done behind closed doors. Today's test will highlight how different methods of switchboard construction will perform under fault conditions. The switchboard being used is of a generic design. We have used a generic mix of switchgear, and all the products that are under test today have already been tested to the relevant standards and are proven products. Once again, we thank you all for attending. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the day.